Hi everyone, we're back here at the HavaTech Showcase. I'm here with Mike Crawford with Q-SYS. Mike, thanks so much for coming out today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Really excited to hear about Q-SYS' new offerings, how things are going for you guys as a company. Can you tell me a little bit about Q-SYS overall, where things are heading in the next year or so, and what you have to show us today?
Yeah, so Q-SYS and Q-SYS, which is the platform and division of Q-SYS, it's just incredible growth right now for the company. We are going into every vertical. You're going to see Q-SYS everywhere you go. So what I got here is just a little kind of sample of some of the things that we sell. I have a couple of processors, some cameras, a little bit of speakers, and some video endpoints and touch panels. And Q-SYS is really a platform that you can go into a space and you can build out that space, and Q-SYS can be kind of every piece of it now. It can be your audio, video, your control, everything, all from a single processor. And that's part of the appeal of a Q-SYS system. It's one system, it's one piece of software to do the programming, and it's all network based.
And obviously with Q-SYS offering, you talk about the ecosystem, everything being under one umbrella. That also includes remote management as well for the products, right?
Yeah, we have Reflect, which is the name of the remote management solution. That keeps growing, expanding as well. So you can set that up. The standard version is free. You can set that up in a system, and then you can monitor all the devices that are on that system, including the third-party devices, a display or whatever. You can see if that device is on or off, or if it's working correctly. So it's a nice additional thing that you can add on.
Fantastic. And yeah, I mean, obviously just to alleviate those tier 1, tier 2 level questions, remoting the PC on, turning it off, all those fun stuff.
Right.
I guess down the line, is there any exciting new hardware or technology that we should be expecting from Q-SYS?
Not that I'm supposed to talk about it. They never tell that. But,
give me the inside, Mike.
I don't want to put that on. There is a new camera that's coming. There's always new things coming from Q-SYS. All I can say on that is that just keep an eye out. We do periodic kind of blast on LinkedIn and with the website where you can see what's new and upcoming. We do have the new camera. We did upgrade a bunch of the processors recently, just a little bit of everything.
Gotcha. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Mike. We really appreciate it. And where can everybody find you and more information about Q-SYS?
Oh yeah, you can just go to Q-SYS.com and you can get that there, or contact me, Mike Crawford, at Mike Crawford at QSYS.com.
Awesome. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate it.